Ka Sorkar jala kala pentikana ba on penklanya ke jing Peitngor ki kambian ki bajara ka por haka jala namar ki kam sneu ki baharukom. Habai kren bigla pathai khubor haka sngi palei jang katayo umentri katanat penroi sor jaga Sorkar jala ba snyau bhalang dhar ulai thu bahapo ka Shillong Smart City Project ka Sorkar ka thmu ban po no da ki Integrated Command and Control Center. Da ka jing pentreka mechanical center on bo ki camera hakaleng ki jaka jang ka Sor Shillong but on bo roi ka control room. But lingba kini ki pulit ke jala kin la ban Peitngor but ban bodde ni ki Jingjia ki basneu hapo Sor Shillong brok way.
So many projects under full swing only under progress, and even think and maybe 1 2 years to come out because now the works in progress. This is main focus of the urban affairs department. Like Okra market is started and like this Pulu market so is already under process, and this rain harvester so already the work started, and the ICCC also is already allotted. 4 or 5 projects is on track, but it will take maybe 1.5 years to come out and get ready for functioning.
So what is this IICC, sir?
That is the command, no? That is the control. That's like a control system throughout the city.
Okay.
Yeah, from the control they put all the digital camera, that is the main, from the one control room.